This is Arjan, 28 years old. He's doing everything right, working hard, saving money, and trying to be smart with his finances. But when it comes to investing, he's lost. Stocks, mutual funds, crypto, gold? Every expert says something different. So where does Arjan even start? If you felt like Arjan lately, this video is for you. We're breaking down the top 5 investment options for 2025 in a way that's simple, smart, and actually makes sense. Let's go.
Bro, I want to start investing properly this year, but there's too much noise. What's actually worth putting money into in 2025?
Good question. 2025 is a different beast. Inflation is still lurking, tech is booming, real estate is changing, and AI is shaking up entire industries. But that also means opportunities. Still one of the strongest and most stable ways to grow your wealth. In 2025, Indian equity mutual funds are backed by a growing economy, government infrastructure push, and rising retail investors. Start with SIP in large cap or flexi cap funds. Don't time the market, stay consistent. Want to get into real estate without buying property? REITs are perfect. You get rental income and capital appreciation without the drama of tenants and maintenance.
So it's like owning a small part of commercial real estate?
Exactly. And they're CB regulated now, which adds safety. Gold's not just for weddings anymore, it's your hedge against inflation, market crashes, and uncertainty. SGBs give 2.5% interest annually price appreciation, tax-free if held till maturity. Diversification is sexy, trust me. With global index funds, you're investing in giants like Apple, Google, and Microsoft without currency headaches. The world is your market now. Invest beyond borders.
Crypto? Still risky, right?
Risky? Yes. Dead? No. In fact, with clearer regulations in 2025, the space is maturing. If you're going to enter, stick to the top 2-3 coins. Use regulated platforms and treat it like a spice, not your main dish. Arjan now has a plan. He's investing 40% in equity mutual funds, 20% in REITs, 15% in gold, 15% in global index funds, and 10% in crypto. Your percentages might look different, and that's okay. The goal is to build a portfolio that grows with you, not just trends. He's not an expert, just consistent. And in 2025, that's more powerful than any hot tip. So which of these 5 investment options are you considering this year? Drop a comment, let's talk. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you out. See you in the next one.